Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is cube root of 2 times square root of 8 over cube root of 2 times square root of 2 times 16 to the power of negative 3 over 4. In the first step, this 8 we can write as 2 times 4, so it will be cube root of 2 times. So in here, 8 is 2 times 4. We write square root of 8 is the square root of 2 times 4, and also it is equal to square root of 2 times square root of 4. And this square root of 4 also is 2. So square root of a is 2 times square root of 2. So we can write 2 times square root of 2. And in here we have cube root of 2 times square root of 2 and times 16 to the power of negative 3 over 4. 16 is 2 to the power of 4, and to the power of negative 3 over 4, this 4 will cancel this 4, so it will be 2 to the power of minus 3, and 2 to the power of minus 3 is 1 over 2 to the power of 3, and this is equal to 1 over 8. So in here, 16 to the power of negative over 3 over 4 is 1 over 8, and is equal to, in here we have cube root of 2 times square root of 2, and in here we have cube root of 2 times the square root of 2. So we can write this as cube root of 2 times cube root of 2 times square root of 2. We separate this and this. Cube root of 2 times cube root of 2 times square root of 2. And in here we have cube root of 2 times square root of 2 times 1 over 8. In here, this will cancel this, so it will be cube root of 2 over 1 over 8. And in here, we can multiply numerator and denominator by 8. So this times 8 and this times 8. So it will be, this times 8 is 8 cube root of 2, and this times this is 8 over 8. So this will cancel this by 1, so it will be this 8 cube root of 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.